Hey guys, today we will talk about how to connect your Shopify store with your Facebook account. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is head over to your store, and once you will be there, you will see the same interface like me. Now, in order to connect it with your Facebook account, what you have to do, make sure your Facebook account is logged in the same browser. So once you do take a look on the right top, you will see your store icon. Click on it and tap on the last option, Manage Account. Once you will click on the option Manage Account, you will get access to your account management where you can do multiple things. And if I scroll down here, you will see 3 options: connect to Apple, Facebook, or to Google. But before connecting it, I need to verify my email address by clicking on the options and verification code. And Shopify will send a verification code to this email. And I need to open this email and I need to verify it. Once I will verify, all these options will be available. And from these, I need to click on Connect to Facebook. Once I will click on this option, pop-up will appear, and I will get a notification from the Facebook, and I can verify my account from there. And that's it. After verifying, your Facebook account will be linked with your Shopify account.